The highest value income you can generate comes from an asset you create once and sell unlimited times. These are digital products like ebooks, custom digital templates, or simple PDF checklists. Because there is no physical inventory or shipping, you can manage the entire business from a laptop and sell while you sleep. Every niche has beginners currently searching for a workflow, a system, or a guide to help them reach the next level. Artificial intelligence now removes the friction of organizing that knowledge, turning raw ideas into a structured product without needing a background in technical writing. This transition to an automated income engine follows a specific 5-step framework. Step 1 is finding a product idea. You can use AI as a sounding board to identify exactly where people in your field are getting stuck. Use this prompt formula. What's a problem beginners in specific topic struggle with that I could solve in a short guide? For step 2, pick the easiest format. Avoid the trap of a massive video course. Start with a simple PDF guide or template. Simple formats are the fastest to produce. They are also the least intimidating for a customer to buy and actually finish. By starting with a manageable format, you increase the likelihood that the product actually reaches the market, instead of being abandoned halfway through. Step 3 is the build. This is a hybrid process, where AI handles the initial structure while you focus on the quality. Use the AI to generate a detailed outline and draft the raw text section by section to maintain momentum. Once you have the draft, you must edit it in your own voice. This is where you add real-world examples and personal anecdotes that the AI cannot replicate. Look at this comparison. The AI gives you the speed to finish the draft, but your personal perspective provides the value that makes people want to read it. The unique human context you provide is the primary reason a buyer will trust the information. Step 4 is professional packaging. A great guide requires a clean presentation to be perceived as a premium asset. You can use templates in Canva to handle the design work, ensuring your guide looks polished without needing a graphic design degree. This side-by-side illustrates the point. Professional formatting is the difference between a document that looks cheap and a product that is clearly worth $19. Quality design serves as a trust signal, confirming to the buyer that the content inside is worth the investment. Step 5 is listing the product. You can host your file on platforms like Beacons or Gumroad, which handle the payment processing for you. The most important part of your listing is the description box. This text is what convinces a visitor to become a buyer. When you write this description, focus entirely on the tangible outcome the buyer gets. Describe the time they will save or the goal they will reach, instead of listing the number of pages in the document. Buyers prioritize the results they will achieve over the specific file format they are purchasing. There is one final truth about this process that will save you a lot of frustration during launch. Even a perfect digital product will generate 0 sales if it is sitting in a storefront with no audience. The order that works is building an audience first through front-end, and then introducing the paid product. You found this channel because I prioritized creating helpful content first. That foundation of trust is what makes a digital product viable. You can see this exact framework in action by looking at my own AI Money Playbook, which is linked in the description below. Use these 5 steps to build your first digital asset this week and move from consuming content to creating it.